Guys, today I'm gonna be finishing this tower. So I'm gonna be finishing this tower, and don't forget to subscribe because I'm trying hard for this. And we will just gonna speak Tagalog, and and guys, we will just gonna speak Tagalog, and I know Tagalog because my mama is Filipino and my dad is American. But but I'm born in Philippines, so I know how to speak Tagalog properly. Okay, let's start the game. Let's go, guys. Oh, I fall. So let's do it again. Let's go to the button, and the challenge will start right now because I'm just gonna speak Tagalog. Let's go, guys. So